Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 PC 24H2 to 25H2. This is super easy, guys. So if you currently have your Windows 11 PC and you want to upgrade it from 24H2 to 25H2, then you want to follow these easy steps. So on your Windows 11 PC, just simply right click on the Windows icon and go to settings here, guys, and you just want to go ahead and do a quick check for updates. So go ahead and click on your Windows updates at the bottom there and ensure that you turn on get the latest updates and do a quick check for update. Your computer will go through the phase of checking for updates and update any drivers that you have. You may need to wait a few minutes in case it checks for updates and it finds any outstanding updates that you need to. Sometimes it will actually find the Windows 11 25H2 and allow you to install it. It will look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly zoom it so you can see. It will go ahead and do the checks and basically give you the Windows 11 version 25H2 available, and you can download it and install it. However, if that does not happen, guys, what you want to do is simply go ahead and go to the official website of Microsoft to do that. Now, you may be wondering why you don't get the 25H2 version available after doing check for updates, because Microsoft actually roll out in phases, right? So it could be that it does not reach to your region just yet. You may need to wait a couple of days, but you don't have to wait. You can get it and install it. I'm going to show you how to get it early, right? So you don't have to wait until it hits your region. So what you want to do, guys, is simply open up your browser and just simple type in Windows 11 25H2 download. Once you do that, from the search result, go ahead and click the download Windows 11 from the Microsoft official website here, the first option, right? And you will be taken over to this website here of Microsoft, where you can see download Windows 11, and it says current release Windows 11 2025 update version 25H2. So you know this is the version that you're going to get. Now you can do this both ways. You can use the Windows installer right here, and this is going to download on your PC. Before it downloads and allow you to install it, it's going to do a quick check to see if your PC is compatible, and it's going to allow you to download the Microsoft Windows PC health check. That's going to go through a quick health check and check if your PC is compatible. Basically, you just need to have enough memory, have enough space, have the necessary RAM, currently of Windows 11, with a recent version and all those stuff, right? So once it goes through that and your system is compatible, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and just quickly download the ISO. So you have two versions, right? It's really up to you if you want to create a bootable disk and reinstall Windows fully on your PC, but you don't have to go through this. If you don't want to reinstall a clean version of Windows and you simply want to go ahead and just update, I recommend use this option here, which is says download Windows 11 disk image, and it's gonna basically do a quick check. So you come here, you select the Windows 11 multiple edition here, and of course you also want to check if you have the X24 device. And how you can do that, again, you can check this by go to system, and you will scroll on to the bottom of Windows, go to about, and you can see if you're running a 64-bit PC. So when you scroll on here, you will see information about your Windows. So this is basically showing you the system type 64-bit, right? So you know that you're all good to go from here. So when you go back to the web page, you know that this version will definitely work on your PC, right? So you select that, guys. Then from here, you want to go ahead and simply click download. Once you do the download, it's gonna do like a quick check, as you can see here, to validate, and then you select the language that you want, US for example, and then confirm, and then it's gonna give you the option to download it, right? So once you hit download right here, you will be able to download it on your PC. If I click download, you can see it started to download, but I don't necessarily need to download because I have it on PC already. So what's happening now is that once it's finished downloads, guys, you go to your download folder, you'll have it, depending on whichever folder you set as your downloads folder, and you just want to right click and do mount. It's going to take a few minutes to really like build the mount for you. Not long, maybe maximum 3 minutes or something like that. And once it does that, you will see something like this on this PC. and you can double click and open it, and this will be the installer of the Windows 11. And all you have to do is double click and run this. So once you double click and run that, it's gonna go through the prepare phase. As you can see, I'm gonna do it for you. Gonna click yes, and you will see, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It's gonna go through and start prepare, and as you can see right there, it's gonna say install Windows 11. You will not lose any file, you will not lose any data. It will just upgrade your Windows to the 25H2. So go ahead and click next, proceed. As you can see, it's gonna check for updates here on my PC. It's gonna go through all the necessary steps and go through it to help me to install Windows to the latest version. So once you finish install that on your PC, you can go back to your system again, or settings again, rather systems, right? You can go to system again, guys, and scroll down, and you will see that you have the 25H2 right here. So just want to go through that steps, guys, and you'll be able to set up Windows on your PC, and everything should be done. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.